guys, I am in line at Starbucks and today I am going to try out the new tie-dye Frappuccino. I'm so excited. And also I'm going to go and see if Burger King has the new tacos. Now, I don't know if they do. If they don't, it's not that big of a deal. But we will see. I'm really excited. I don't know what size to get. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm literally like the biggest little kid right now. I'm so excited. Okay. So I need that one.
How can I help you today?
Can I get a large ice water?
Large ice water? Absolutely.
And like your largest tie-dye Frappuccino that you have?
Tie-dye frap?
Yeah. And that'll be it.
Great. What is your name?
Heather.
All right, Heather. It is going to be $6.52 then for you. I will see you at the window.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm pretty excited. I forgot my sunglasses. But I like my makeup today a lot. I'm wearing like 4 lip products. I don't know. So this car in front of me has been I've been sitting here for like 5 minutes. But I think I've seen, let's see, Steph Pappas. I watch her. She's like a YouTube foodie vlogger person. Look at that hot. Why would you get a hot? Get a hot like tea or coffee.
Hi. 652. Here is your water. Here you go.
Are you guys selling a lot of these? The tie-dye one?
Yeah, we're selling like more than we're supposed to
Really?
a day, yeah.
Have you
But
tried it?
I tried it like a little bit, but have you had it before? No? Well,
I didn't know it was a thing till like yesterday.
oh yeah.
So I was
It came out
like-
on Wednesday, so
Oh, I was like,
it tastes like a banana Laffy Taffy. So, I don't know. If you're into that, then
yeah, totally.
yeah.
I don't think I've had one for like 20 years though.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Oh my god. You guys. Oh. Oh my god. This is so pretty. I'm gonna park really quickly and just do a taste test really fast because I don't want this to melt together. It's totally melting together. Okay, I just took a thumbnail. Oh my god, ready? Okay. It's already melting, but oh, those are sour sprinkles. It doesn't taste like banana Laffy Taffy. It's like What does that taste like? Okay. I get what she's saying, kind of. But what is that? I don't know what that tastes like. It tastes like vanilla, but kind of banana. I mean, it's definitely refreshing. It's not very heavy. I don't know. It's not my absolute, like, favorite Starbucks item in the entire world. Just give myself a little bit of brain freeze. Oh my god. Look at the color of it now. It's straight, just like neon yellow. It's very summertime. Kind of banana-y, vanilla-y. Kind of like a vanilla pudding, more than a Laffy Taffy. It's okay. I'm definitely not going to spend $6 on it again, though. Let's go see if Burger King's got tacos. I am at Burger King, and they have the tacos at the Burger King that's close to my house. I am going to try them out. Now, just a little information about me and tacos. I love tacos. I love all kinds of tacos. Specifically, I love Jack in the Box tacos. Don't get me started. I know they're not technically like Mexican food, what have you. Hard taco. Jack in the Box tacos are amazing. You have to have them with buttermilk ranch. I saw that they had hard tacos at Burger King, and I was like, I'm gonna give this a shot because they look like the Jack in the Box tacos. I haven't seen anybody do a taste test again except for Steph Papas, but she's never had Jack in the Box tacos, so she had nothing to compare them to. So I'm gonna compare. I love Jack in the Box tacos. Absolutely love Jack in the Box tacos. I am currently still trying to get this taste out of my mouth. I drink not even half of it. I don't think I can have any more because it's just not, it's not the best. I don't know. I don't think they have ranch here. I think they may have, and okay, and they're $1. And they look different than the Jack in the Box tacos. Yeah, can I just get 2 of your crispy tacos? Do you have like any ranch or anything?
Like a cup of ranch?
Yeah.
25 cents, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll take ranch with it.
All right. Anything else?
And a 10-piece nugget, and that's it.
You think so? Okay. Anything else?
No, that's it.
$3.77 around at the second.
All right, thank you. I did say I'll just have, so technically that was my fault, but
Hello.
Hey.
10 nuggets, 2 tacos?
Yeah.
Okay, $3.77. Oh, yeah, but I ain't got there yet.
Thank you. You too. Okay, let's try them. Kind of busy. I I'm nervous and excited. I got the chicken nuggets for Ian to eat because he hasn't really eaten. Seth just texted me a little bit ago. He's like, Ian's asking for food. I'm like, the kid ate some breakfast this morning. Okay, so, I'm gonna pull into here real quick and try to find a shade spot because it is getting hot. Right next to this truck here. I found some shade. Okay. So, here we go. They look kind of like the ranch. They look kind of like the Jack in the Box ones, but okay. Here we go. This is what it looks like. It looks kind of similar, kind of different. It's got sauce, cheese, what appears to be meat. Alright, here we go. It's okay. It doesn't 100% taste like the Jack in the Box tacos. The shells are different. The shells on this taco are a little bit softer, actually. But let's try it with some ranch. It's okay. It's no Jack in the Box. Interesting though. It's okay, but if you have a Jack in the Box near you, give it the Jack in the Box instead, for real. It satisfies my crunchy taco fix though. I'm so thirsty. It's getting hot, so I'm gonna go home and eat the other one at home. But thanks for watching, and if you like videos like this, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you're feeling, what you like, what you want, what you don't want, you know, all that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.